Hello everyone, today we are going to prepare our cookbook page number 22 fish fry recipe. Let's get started. I have taken 4 fish slices. Now add some turmeric, teaspoon chili powder and 1 lemon juice. Mix well and marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add salt. Mix well and fry immediately. Now switch on the flame. To fry, heat up the pan on highest heat until roasting window. Now reduce the heat. Add some oil in the pan. Now arrange the fish slices in the pan. Now close the lid. Cook until turning point is reached. Turning point is reached. Now open the lid. Flip to another side. Now close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Fish fry recipe is ready.